各位网友，大家好，欢迎来到第128届线上广交会小康集团网上直播间。我是张新燕，很高兴今天能以这样的方式与大家进行交流。本次小康集团参展的主题是新能源、新制造、新未来。在接下来的直播过程中，也将带领大家一起探秘小康集团智能工厂、赛力斯智能电动车以及引领未来出行的新产品。这次广交会，我们通过云展厅静态展示和线上动态直播的形式，向大家全面展示小康集团、DFSK、赛力斯两大汽车品牌以及商用车、神用车、电动车三大产品系列20多款车型和零部件。这次的直播，我们将完全打破传统直播间的空间限制。我们的主播将带领大家全面了解产品的生产过程，探秘智能工厂，感受产品性能，给你带来全方位的视觉体验。说了这么多，相信大家已经迫不及待了。接下来，我们把镜头交给在金康工厂的主播们，让我们的主播带领大家一起感受智能工厂的奥秘，体验高科技产品的性能。再次感谢大家的关注。
Hi, Mr. Zhang. Hi, everyone. This is your old friend Shaggy from DFSK. And this is my team. This is Tracy today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tracy.
Okay, this is Ignacio. Speak good
Hola,
Spanish.
¿Cómo está? Me llamo
And
Ignacio.
Mr. Mickey.
Hola, soy Mickey.
Okay, today our team will be bring you inside one of our factory, the series. And you can see the series in orange logo over there. So we will bring you inside the factory and let you know more information about our manufacturing process. And today, I think there are two topics. The first one is that Mr. Tracy, later on, he will bring you inside the factory and let you know more information about our manufacturing. The second part is we will show you our two new models. One is our small SUV, Grille 500. Another is Grille 580 Star version. This is based on the old version 580. It's upgrade version. So this is the missions today. And I think today is the first time that we are showing you this manufacturing and our process. I think you will be very interesting. So thanks for watching and sharing with your friends and join us today. Okay, before we entering this manufacturing process and the workshop, I think I have to mention something about our group, the SOCOM. The SOCOM group was founded in 1986, and we have completely the industrial chain, including the ICE vehicle manufacturing, the electric powertrain system, the engine and auto parts. And we have 34 years history for our development. And during these years, I think we have transferred from just the spring shock absorber producing and ICE vehicle producing to today the intelligent electric vehicle manufacturing. And this is a great achievement for sure. And the group was listed in Shanghai Stock Exchange in 2016. Okay, that's the group information for your better understanding. And second, I have to mention something about DFSK, because the DFSK, you know, this is the brand under the name is under the group of SOCOM. And this is the brand for the ICE vehicle sales and exportation. We have 15 years exportation and overseas experience. And during these 15 years, the accumulated volume of our exportation reaches to 320,000 units and exported to 17 countries in the world. And you can see everywhere in the world of our vehicles running on the road. That's great, right? And the third, the part, I think I have to mention something about this factory, because as you can see, this is the head office of our series. And over there, you can see that we have many processes like the pending workshop, like the welding workshop, like stamping workshop, and we have final assembling workshop there. And also we have the battery package workshop. So that's the 5 parts and 5 sections of our series manufacturing. And you know, we have the most strict the construction process when I'm building up this series factory. This is the most serious. And because of this, so we are devoting ourselves to providing the superior quality to our global customers. Okay, today I think this is the series manufacturing base. We have a floor area over 500,000 square meters. And the annual production reaches to 115,000 units per year. Most of the manufacturing is for the electric intelligent vehicles. And a few parts we are producing here is our ICE vehicle manufacturing right here. So the next step, the Mr. Tracy, as I mentioned, he will bring you and walking inside every process of our manufacturing, of our workshop, and showing you how the DFSK manufacturing looks like and how the DFSK SUV and electric vehicles comes from. Okay, I will be waiting for you maybe half an hour later and showing you our new models. So now it's a turn to the Tracy to show you more information about the factory. Okay, now I will turn to the Tracy and he will bring you inside the factory to understand every process of our manufacturing. Now, welcome Tracy.
Hello, everyone. I'm
Okay.
Tracy.
Okay, are you ready, Tracy?
Of course.
Okay,
Ready.
Let's join Tracy and enjoy your manufacturing journey.
Okay, everyone.
See you later.
Okay, everyone. So come on, let's go. Let's get inside and introduce you this intelligent plant. Okay, my friend. So please come here. We can see this have a factory introduction, and this is the plant illustration. And this intelligent EV plant, we have the many 4 parts. The first is the stamping shop, and the second is the body welding shop. The third is the painting shop, and the last one, and it's the most important shop, is assembly shop. Okay, but you know, for your safety, before we get inside the factory, so we have to wear the helmet. So let's go. So lady, could you please give me this helmet? Thank you. Okay, so now we come to the stamping shop. You can see here, it's very and it's new and it's very advanced. Okay, this stamp shop has a floor of the area of over 18,292 square meters. You can check this around here. Okay, which is designed with the 7,000-ton production line and average production circle of 12 SPM. It's an advanced stamping production line in China with the state-of-the-art technologies, including the 4-9 noise and the dust preventions. And they start automatic loading and delivery, the one-click die change. It's also equipped with automatic production facility and intelligent logistics systems and technique. Also, this is with advanced human machine engineering and the world-leading detection equipment. You can check the machine. It's very big and with 7,000 tons. That's very good and advanced in the world. Okay, everyone. So right now we finished the introduction of the stamping shop. So now we come to the body welding shop here. The body welding shop has a floor area of over 33,024 square meters, and which are designed with a steel body. You can check here. And the 4 vehicles, 30 JPH. An aluminum body production line, the 2 vehicle models, and 15 JPH. JPH is jobs per hour, and a flexible adjustment line for steel and aluminum materials, and a flexible door production line for steel and aluminum materials, 6 vehicle models. the welding and the coating process in this workshop are 100% automatic. With the improvement and the production and all this, the facility and equipment also is very intelligent and advanced. So now you can check. We have many and the robots is on the operation. So just now you see, when the two robots come here in cross to avoid the collision, he will automatically stop. That's very advanced. Not only in China, even in the world, it's the most advanced technologies. So okay, my friend, so now you can check. Our robot is on the processing and is working now here. And what's more, all the equipment is from the world leading equipment, such as the Kuga from Germany, the ABB from Switzerland, and the VDL also from Germany. So okay, so now we are going to finish the introduction of the bodybuilding shop. Now we'll go to the painting shop. So right now we go to out of the painting shop or the body shop. So you can see here also we have the battery pack shop here. The workshop is for the battery assembly and the testing. So here we come to the painting shop. Okay, so now we come to the painting shop here. Okay, so when you get inside, when you will see this have a screen in the wall, you know, the painting shop to make sure the quality of the painting, so nobody can get inside to check. So only to fit this have the live the monitoring show in the screen. So this the painting shops have the floor area over the 21,760 square meters, and for the working cycle of the 30 JPH, it's equipped with advanced and technology, including the oxygen, the pre-treatment, automatic coating, and automatic the painting. Of course, have the water-borne mild layer paint with the 2K the varnish. Of course, have the pre-treatment tropical roll deep the transport here. Of course, have the multi-deck vehicle body storage, automatic painting film inspection, dry spray booth, and RTO exhaust air treatment. Of course, with those technology, the workshop will be meet both the technology industrial 4.0 standard and the environmental protection requirements. So okay, my friend, so we come to the last and also is most important workshop, assembly shop. This assembly shop has a floor area of the 54,000 square meters. You can see this workshop. It's designed with one production line and a working circle of 30 JPH. The workshop is equipped with assembly technology, including the automatic lifting, side rotation, and lifting EMS, torque tightening system, marriage AGV technology, and the high pressure automatic inspection equipment. Also, the guarantee all the vehicle have the 100% with very high quantity. All this the ABB robot and the video orientation system from Switzerland can automatically install the tire with axial orientation. The orientation precision is within 0.02 millimeter, and the inspection accuracy of the system is 99.9%. This is the assembly line and this rotation and the lifting EMS system in the chassis line. You can check here. And there are 70 seats of the rotation and lifting EMS form or loop system to transport vehicle. They can flexible and automatically adjust the height and the angle of the vehicle to lower labor intensity for the operators. All the vehicle, when we finish the final assembly, they will come to here, from here. You can say the X7 is already finished the assembly. So not only the X7, we also have another X5, the Glory 500, Glory E3, Also, we have the SF5, all of them to finish the assembly here. So when they finish the assembly, they will come to here for the testing line. Of course, you can check here. The first step is for the four-wheel alignment, which is test the tires, the camber, and the caster angle, also at the inclinations. Okay, when they pass the alignment, then we'll go to the second step. Is for the 360 degrees, the whole vehicle alignment. The second step is for the checking the whole, for example, for the alignment of the door and the rear mirrors. Also, I have another thing for your out appearance. So, first the two steps, then you go to the third step, which is the rain shower ring. We come here. You can, when you finish the four-wheel alignment, which means this where the tire is okay. So then the vehicle will go to the second step. It's for the 360 degree, the whole vehicle alignment. The second test is for the whole vehicle alignment for the doors and the rear mirrors, of also another the out appearance. You can see when you go inside, this is the second step. Okay, so when you finish this the second step, then go to the next. The next is the running test to check if there is any leakage for the vehicle. If you finish the running test, that means it's okay. So the next step is for the dynamic test of the vehicle. Okay, so now is the running test. You can see the vehicle is just slowly move to in this shop for the check the running and to check there is any leakage for the vehicle. So okay, now you can see the vehicle is finished and passed the running test, which means the vehicle is totally okay. There is no leakage. So maybe many friends will think. So now the vehicle is finished assembly. The can off the production line, but up to now we have the last and also the most important step, the dynamic test. So now we go to the check and we will show you the dynamic test. So now the vehicle is finished the test line and the plane go to the dynamic test. But before the dynamic test, please allow me to introduce you my colleague Ignacio. He will introduce you our the new model Grille 500.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Ignacio. I think according to the expectation or Tracy, you will know about more our factory. So and now let him take a break. I will take his job and introduce some our new models. Okay, so now let's start. Okay, vámonos. Bienvenido a Canton Feria. Eso es mi colega Mickey.
Hola a todos, yo soy Mickey.
Y estamos honrados que los reunimos con ustedes aquí en el día hoy. Y hoy vamos a presentar nuestro producto a ustedes. Esperamos que con nuestra mostración ustedes van a saber más sobre nuestra marca y nuestro producto. Ok, entonces vamos a ver la protagonista de hoy. Okay. El pequeño SUV Grille Cliente. Grille Cliente es nuestro modelo nuevo. Es el fruto de nuestra tecnología maduro con la historia larga y la experiencia abundante de TFSK. Y antes de este modelo ya exportamos muchos modelos a todo el mundo. Mickey, ¿sabe qué modelos ya exportamos en todo el mundo?
Ahora en todo el mundo tenemos el 560, 580
sí.
y iX5 y iX7.
Sí, eso es. Con este modelo ya conseguimos un gran éxito y ayuda a la TFSK que camina a todo el mundo. Y entonces hoy ahora TFSK queremos ofrecer un modelo más económico y más joven para los jóvenes y sus familias. Sí, es eso. Con este modelo, los jóvenes y su familia tienen capacidad para acumular más fácilmente. Sí, pero yo digo económico, pero no significa la palabra calidad o como otras cosas, pero porque como yo digo antes, y este modelo es el futuro de nuestra tecnología muy futuro. Entonces podemos garantizar que con este modo también tiene una calidad segura y la apariencia muy atractiva y también la función muy suficiente. ¿Ok? Entonces vamos a ver más detalles. Primeramente sobre la dimensión de este modelo. La dimensión de este modelo a lo largo es 4080 y 35 y ancho es 1080, es 1850 y la alta es 1640 y la distancia entre eje es 2060 y 40. ¿Sí? Y por eso, además, por este modelo ponemos un motor 1.5 y con la transmisión CVT. Y también tenemos opción de MT en el futuro. ¿Sí? No se preocupe, más tarde Mickey va a conducir este modelo para hablar ustedes qué sentido cuando conducimos. ¿Ok? Entonces ahora vamos a algunos detalles de apariencias. Primeramente, Mickey, ¿cómo está sobre estas apariencias? ¿Es muy clásico? Sí.
Sí, es con rejilla de la entrada, es con la diseño familiares.
Sí, los tres líneas y el logo de Tefsca se combina un diseño estilo de familia de color. Sí, es eso. Y vamos a ver los dos lados. Primeramente para la luz. Y toda la luz es muy, ¿cómo se dice? Es sobresa, es muy lujoso. Toda la luz es LED.
Sí, con mucha tecnología.
Sí, eso es. Y más bajo vamos a ver esta parte. Para mí, Mickey, a mí me gusta mucho esta parte.
A mí también es muy exagerado, es muy como deportivo.
Sí, porque esta parte es la entrada de viento. Es como el diseño es muy joven, deportivo, sí, como eso. Y además, vamos a ver arriba. Y con este diseño es un poco similar como iX5.
Sí.
Porque iX5 es un real, deportivo, es SUV. Entonces adapta muy similar diseño eso. Puedes ver, con este diseño de delantera cubierto es como un tiburón. Tiburón está atacando sus cabecillas. Es muy agresivo, creo que sí. Entonces, junto a es la apariencia es bastante atractivo.
Y también puede ver como la moldura es con el color rojo. Desde la derecha a la izquierda se ve muy grande, muy ancho y también, como se dice, se ve muy deportivo. Sabemos como los coches deportivos siempre usan como el color rojo para...
Sí, es eso. Sí. El rojo para siempre significa la deportivo.
Sí, y también teclado, como se dice, y moldura de cromata y también se ve más lujo y más jóvenes.
Ok. Termina eso, vamos a ver el cuerpo lateral.
Sí, padre.
Por favor, esta parte. Y para mí, Mickey, una cosa también es muy sorpresa, es el color.
Sí.
En un cuerpo hay dos diferentes colores. En el techo es negro, en el cuerpo es blanco. Sí, eso es más deportivo, creo que es más moderno. Además, Mickey, puede ver,
también.
es igual.
Sí, otro rojo.
Tres colores y la combina es muy moderno, creo que sí. Muy bonita.
Sí, muy bonita. Sí. Y también espejo, también
sí, espejo es
color negro.
Sí, negro con el techo.
Sí.
Además, vamos a ver la luta. Sí. La luta, puede ver, es la dimensión, es viene siendo
215.
15.
60R17.
Sí, 17. 17. Esta dimensión para el pequeño SUV. Generalmente el pequeño SUV es 16.
Ya,
Sí, entonces
sí,
17 es más
muy
grande,
sí,
sí,
muy grande.
más bonita.
Sí.
También otra cosa me gusta mucho es este aros.
Ajá.
El aros es la color gris, gris mate.
Sí, sí, sí.
Es muy deportivo, creo que es. Muy atractivo, ¿sí?
Sí.
Entonces, terminado eso, vamos a ver la puerta
Sí,
atrás.
la trasera.
Mire, esta parte, la parte atrás es muy simple, pero acuerdo, ¿no?
Sí, simple pero bonito.
Sí, bonito. Sí, mire, pues hay el logo,
Puedes ver.
sí, el logo Grille, cliente,
Sí,
sí,
su modelo.
también es con un ojo, sí. Este es como, es muy deportivo sentido, creo que
Sí, sí. Y aunque aquí es Fungun, pero luego cuando exportamos a otras...
Cambiamos
sí,
a
cambiamos.
nuestro muy clásico letra,
Sí.
Glory.
Sí.
Sí, después de eso vamos a ver la maleta.
Ok, vale, vale.
Sí, por favor, ábrelo.
Oh, muy grande.
Sí, creo que la capacidad de maleta no es tan, creo que es no pequeño, sí, es suficiente para un pequeño familia, para los jóvenes, para poner maletas, no hay problema.
Es muy grande para
Sí.
un, ¿cómo se dice? Pequeño SUV.
Sí, pequeño SUV, sí, sí. Y además, con esta madera, la capacidad volumen es más o menos 587 litros. Pero cuando dejamos la segunda fila, toda la maleta para muy grande.
Sí,
Sí, más flexible, ¿sí?
sí, flexible, sí. También podemos meter, ¿cómo se dice? Su bicicleta o su
Ajá.
barco dentro de aquí.
Sí, la gasolina de sus niños,
Sí,
los
sí,
juegos,
sí. Todas
muchas
las cosas aquí. Está bien, muy flexible,
Sí.
suficiente espacio.
Ok. Entonces, ya hablamos tanto sobre la apariencia. Entonces, vamos a ver la interior.
Vale, vale, vamos.
Ok, vámonos. Ok. Ok, hablamos la vuelta. Y ya yo abrigo la verdad. Mickey, este coche también la primera impresión es lujoso.
Sí,
Sí, equipamiento abundante
sí.
y bonita.
Sí.
¿Y qué te parece?
Para mí yo pienso que es también impresionante, como todo con un color tinta y también todo cosas con cuero
Sí,
y muy
lujo.
elegante y muy lujoso. Aunque este coche no es muy caro, pero se ve muy caro. Se ve muy
eso
lujoso,
sí, eso es muy bueno. Ok, entonces vamos a entrar para ver más detalles.
Vale.
Ok. Ahora estamos dentro del coche, sí, vamos a ver los detalles. Primeramente Miki Pérez, vale. Este volante es, hay dos cosas muy sobre eso. Primeramente es la multifuncional.
Ah, sí, sí.
Eso es. Segundo es este.
Ah,
La
sí.
forma
Ajá.
es la
Como la letra T.
Letra T.
Ah,
Es
sí,
solo,
sí, sí.
Generalmente solo la deportivo vehículo utilizamos
sí,
este
sí.
volante. Sí, entonces eso significa el concepto de este vehículo es deportivo. Sí, y vamos a ver la multifuncional. Okay. Esta parte es para controlar el tablero. Sí, esta parte es para controlar el entrenamiento de esta pantalla. Sí, vamos a ver la tablero. El tablero es digital.
Ah, sí.
Sí, muy lujoso.
Sí,
Sí. En la izquierda es la velocímetro, en la derecha es
la
la
velocidad.
sí, tacómetro. Sí, en el centro es se puede mostrar más información.
Ajá.
Usted necesita cuando usted conduce este coche. Sí, es muy conveniente, pero muy bonita. Sí.
Ajá.
Y después, baja de la volante hay 3 palas. 1, 2, 3. Este es para los luces, ¿sí? Este es para
Parabrisas.
Sí, para parabrisas. Y suspense, ¿qué es eso?
Yo pienso que control de cruz.
Sí, control crucero. Pero generalmente en la misma sección de pequeño SUV no hay se funciona, pero para nosotros ofrecemos sorpresa, creo que
bien,
sí. Sí. Además, el espejo del televisor podemos duplicar con automático.
Sí.
Disculpe. Sí, es
sí,
muy conveniente, sí.
Sí.
Es muy conveniente, sí. Y además, este es el botón de encendido. Vamos a ver.
Sin llave.
Sí, sin llave, es muy conveniente, sí. Y además, vamos a... Disculpe.
La pantalla.
La pantalla. Para esta parte, ¿cómo te parece esta parte?
Con mucha tecnología.
Pues sí.
Pantalla y hay muchas instalaciones.
Grille,
Sí,
con eso. Sí, la pantalla creo que la tamaño es más o menos 9 feet.
¿Se puede tocar?
Se puede tocar.
Qué bien, sí.
Además, también podemos controlar con esta parte. Sí. Con la fila esta, la radio, para responder la llamada, esta ajustar el volumen, esta para ajustar todo el sistema, eso es para controlar esta pantalla.
Sí,
es muy conveniente, sí.
Sí.
También baja esta parte hay una, vamos a ver.
Zona de aire acondicionado.
Sí, la zona de aire acondicionado. Sí,
sí.
Es automático.
Sí, sí.
No se puede ver la temperatura.
Sí, temperatura aquí. Y aquí es viento. Vale, qué bien.
Sí, muy lujoso creo que. Y más abajo hay 2 salados, hay 2 entradas. Uno es para USB, disculpe. Uno es para USB, otro es para la altavoz. Sí, para el encendedor. También puede cargar eléctrico.
Sí. Y aquí también se puede recargar
Sí, creo que sí. Eso es, sí.
Móvil.
Sí, muy conveniente. Y sobre ¿cómo se dice? El equipamiento de entretenimiento es muy abundante. Pero para el equipamiento de seguro también es muy buena. También tenemos mucho. Eso se puede cambiar a su seguro. Primeramente puede ver aire, bolsa, hay 2 ¿sí? Aquí. Hay 2 aquí. También tenemos la ESP. ESP es muy funcional cuando usted no estable, eso muy importante. También tenemos frenos no es manual, es eléctrico. Sí. Es alto costo, es muy lujoso. Además tenemos auto hold. Esto muy funciona. Y otra cosa.
Mira, aquí se puede calentar tu asiento.
En invierno es muy.
Sí. Y también para las chicas también.
Muy interesante.
Sí, es muy funcional.
Sí. Además, mire, abrirlo. Es un sunroof.
Sí,
palomático. Sí.
Muy grande.
Muy grande.
Hasta la segunda filas. Qué bien.
Sí, es muy lujoso y también es cómodo para los jóvenes, creo que sí.
Aquí hay un espejo, se puede maquillar.
¿Cómo te parece que el espacio ahora?
Para mí, aunque, ¿cómo se dice? Fuera se ve muy pequeño, pero dentro es suficiente espacio.
Sí. Creo que para mí, porque yo no es muy alta, pero para mí.
Sí, vale.
Sí, eso. Entonces vamos a ver la segunda fila.
Vale.
Ok, vamos. Ok, Miki, vamos a entrar a la segunda fila.
Vale.
Vamos a ver espacio. Ok. Mire. Y la asiento también es muy cómodo.
Sí, a mí
suave.
sí, muy cómodo.
Sí, una cosa yo veo es esta parte. Mire.
Sí.
Es
plano.
Sí, muchas vehículos sí es la tracción adelante, pero también en esta parte hay un salgón, hay una parte.
Sí.
Es muy no conveniente. Cuando hay una persona siéntase en el centro, pero nuestro cliente es muy bueno.
Plano.
Sí, es plano. Cuando yo aquí hay tres personas, también no hay problema. Sí. Vale. También hay espacio y la segunda fila no hay salida de viento porque esto es económico.
Sí, mira el espacio. Yo tengo, mi altura es casi 1707, pero 1, 2, 3.
Sí,
y
alto
aquí,
también a casi un
mínimo
punto.
Sí.
Es muy bien.
Suficiente este coche es.
Sí, mira.
Sí.
Hay una parte para poner la botella de agua.
Sí.
Su cosa es muy bien, eso es.
Sí, creo que este coche para familia es súper bien. Sí, es una...
Lujoso,
muy
deportivo y también es cómodo.
Y también con muchas tecnologías.
Sí, ahora ya hablamos mucho sobre sobre la apariencia interior de Grille cliente, pero todavía hoy tenemos oportunidades para conducir y yo ofrezco esta oportunidad para ustedes.
Vale.
Puede conducir para ver qué es el sentido cuando conducimos.
Vale.
Eso. También puede hablar alguna sobre el motor, la suspensión y la información a nuestro cliente y nuestros distribuidores. Eso es mejor. ¿Ok?
Vale.
Entonces vamos. Okay.
Ya no puedo esperar. Vamos.
Ok.
Ok, muchas gracias a Ignacio para traernos la introducción estática. Y ahora voy a traernos la introducción dinámica. A continuación, llegamos a la parte de la prueba de la conducción. Antes que nada, este Grille 500 equipado un motor de 1.5 litros de inyección directa. Y este motor se puede producir la potencia la máxima 85 kilovatios y más o menos 113 caballos de potencia. Y el torque se puede producir como 147 newton metros. Aunque este coche no es equipado un turbo, pero esta potencia para un pequeño SUV es suficiente para el uso diario.
100%.
Y ahora podemos probarlo.
Sí, vamos, experto mucho.
Ahora encendimos vale, ahora encendimos el coche y vamos y ahora paramos.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1, go. Mira. Sí,
Okay,
¿has visto?
Sí.
Yo pienso que la potencia no es como se dice, no es solo suficiente, es como una sorpresa. Es muy deportivo y también muy poderoso. Y también se puede, como se dice, conducir su coche en la montaña y también en la urbano. Es súper guay. También puede dar a usted como la pasión de al conducir.
Sí. Para mí, porque yo no conduzco, para mí es la suspensión y es cómodo. Es no es como la sedán, pero también para mí es muy similar como el sedán. Si no hay mucho movido, también porque la silla, la suspensión, creo que todo está bien.
¿Sabes que gracias a, ¿cómo se dice? Este motor es con 1.5 litros respiración natural. Su consumo de combustible es muy económico. Como se dice, 100 kilómetros solamente 5 litros de gasolina.
Más
sí,
o menos,
es muy
económico.
Sí, sabes, económico significa ahorrar el dinero. Sí, tú puedes usar este dinero para ir a bar o discoteca o a la playa.
¿Por qué?
Muy bien,
Muy bien.
Sí,
porque,
porque a los jóvenes les gusta discoteca, los música, muy, ¿cómo se dice? Divertido. Sí, también podemos ver la suspensión delantera es de Mefferson y la suspensión de la trasera es la barra de torsión. Sí, es este componente para, ¿cómo se dice?
No es tan excelente, pero es muy principal, convencional, tipo.
Sí, sí, y la dirección y la como tracción es muy flexible y muy deportivo y a mí me gusta mucho. Y cuando conduces tu coche en la montaña, a la montaña, y suspensión se puede darte un soporte, suficiente soporte, y no muy duro, pero también muy, ¿cómo se dice? Comfort.
Es cómodo.
Es cómodo, sí.
Cómodos.
También cuando, ¿cómo se dice? Pavimento con una mala condición. Esta componente suspensión va a filtrar las vibraciones. Es muy cómodo. Y podemos ver que cuando giramos, la suspensión muy cómodo, muy suave. Muy suave. Sí.
Muy flexible. Cuando desde la derecha a la izquierda, muy flexible.
Sí,
creo que sí.
Cuando está
muy fácil, no tan peso. Creo que este volante no peso, es muy fácil.
Sí, cuando quiero girar a la derecha o girar a la izquierda, ¿cómo se dice? Volante y, ¿cómo se dice? Y suspensión para darte como una confianza. Sí, muy bien. Mira.
También hay una recortor. Sí, puede recortar toda cosa, eso es más seguro para ustedes.
Sí, podemos ver y luego también podemos revisar la grabadora de la conducción. Y sabes que también este coche tenemos muchas como configuraciones seguros, por ejemplo ABS y ESP. Tú sabes, ESP es muy importante. Sí, esperamos ahí.
También hay una equipamiento de, ¿cómo dice? Es la presión del neumático. TPMC, sí, es eso. Sí. Muy, ¿cómo se dice? Es funcional. También se puede garantizar su seguro. Cuando usted conduce en la camino, pero el neumático se rota. Si usted no sabe, es muy peligroso, pero el pantalla digital para mencionar a ustedes eso, habla en su neumático hay problema. Eso es más seguro para los clientes.
Sí, sabes, este coche también equipado como la asistencia de subida y descenso de la pendiente de pronunciadas y etcétera. Hay muchas configuras. Y también este coche es, como se dice, tiene un excelente de control de ruido. Es muy silencio. Si cerramos la pendila, sí, es muy silencio. Y cuando estamos con una velocidad muy alta, y también podemos charlar, es como con normal volumen, no necesitamos que subir el volumen. A mí me gusta este. Por ejemplo, ¿cómo se dice? Los pequeños SUV siempre cuando está en una velocidad muy alta y hace muchos ruidos. Sí, mira, aquí tiene la cámara.
Mis amigos, ahora estamos en la fábrica, puede ver todos los vehículos de pesca, diferente eléctrico, X5 y Grille es muy moderno fábrica y con nuestro muy moderno producto. Sí, eso es, sí.
Bueno, a mí
¿No terminamos? Vamos afuera para hablar alguna cosa sobre,
Venga, vamos.
Para hacemos una conclusión sobre nuestro cliente.
Muchas gracias para darme la oportunidad para conducir.
Compra una.
Vale,
Compra
voy
una.
a compraré.
Ok, vamos a... Ok. Miki, ya hablamos muchos la experiencia interior, equipamiento, también usted ya conduce este modelo, sí, todo está bien, sí. Y ahora vamos a ver, porque nuestros clientes pueden ver, porque antes ya habla mucho sobre los modelos, también los clientes saben, este modelo es muy, ¿cómo se dice? Muy sencillo modelo para los clientes, especialmente para los jóvenes, porque es la apariencia atractiva, el motor económico, pero fuerte potencia y muy cómodo interior. Eso es muy buena para los jóvenes. También.
Yo pienso que es para como hay familias.
Sí, también la pequeña,
también es una buena
jóvenes familias.
Vale.
Si solo un niño, dos esposas, esposo, eso es como eso. Sí, entonces creo que este modelo es para 100% suficiente para los jóvenes y sus familias. Creo que sí, económico también, pero es muy bonita. Creo que los jóvenes se gustan mucho, creo que.
Sí, por ejemplo yo.
Ok, compra uno, como yo digo. Okay. Entonces, ya terminamos. Y muchas gracias a nuestro amigo clientes para ver nuestra mostración. Pero todavía tenemos otra mostración sobre otro modelo también para la instrucción de fábrica. Es como eso. Entonces, para este momento, adiós, pero podemos ver más tarde, ¿ok?
Vale, adiós, muchísimas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Hello everyone, this is Shaki coming back. So now I'm in the close to the head office of our series factory, Assembly 9 here. So now we can see the Glory 500 models is right here. I will be giving you a brief introduction of this model positioning. The model 500, because you know 92% from China to overseas exportation, they are small or compact SUV. That's why we are launching this new model. And this is our wishes for the next year. As we can see in the front, the model, the first grasp of this model you can feel is very fashionable and sporty. This is the first feature. The second is a superpower. This model with 116 horsepower is 85 liters of the engines. So this is you can drive this one everywhere in the world, even in some very narrow street or road. It's very convenient for your use. The third, I have to say, this one is very economic and very practical for use, especially for elder people or youngsters. There are some young people, they like fashion, or the elders, they want very economic for fuel consumption. They can choose this one. So these three main features of this model. As we can see in the front, we can see in the front, let's see the grille. The grille, we adopt the DFSK family face, because this grille, as we can see, is just like a sunrise. There are three black lines right here. The sunrise means the hope for the near future, right? And this is of course, this is our logo, the DFS logo. It's right here. And we can see the design of these two headline is crystal design and very beautiful. It's really like artworks and very, very shine. As we can see, there is a string light right here under the bumper, and looks very shinies, right? Very nice. There are two specialties is right here. That is the two sides of the bumper. You can see it's a very special design of this one. And from this design, you can see this model is more sporty and racing. And plus this red line, that makes this model more beautiful and fashion, right? And this is the fork knives right here. So that's the front face. So give more people more young feeling and more sporty feeling. And let's come here to see the side part. You can see the streamline. We can see the front. The front is just like the shark nose because it's just like dive design. This is more can reduce the rain resist and for your faster speed, right? And we can check the color of this match. This black matched white. So this is more beautiful and very fashion stylish and a fashion design. And many young people, they like the mix of the color for this kind of style. As we can see the tires is 17-inch tire. And we can see the ring. The ring, we call this color, is gun metal color. And this is just like a flower design that makes this tire more fashion and beautiful. The tire the width of this tire reaches over 200. That gives more contact with the ground. That gives you more safety and comfort driving. Okay, let's come here to see the waist knife. There are two waist knives right here. One is here, this one, and that's another one. Usually the normal one, the normal SUV, they usually have this one. There are few has another waist knife, but this kind of design is more beauty and reduce the rain resist. And also this waist knife that will strengthen the side impact of our car. That's give more safer for the driver and the passengers. Okay, that's for side of this car. And you can see here, that's we continue with the front bumper. There's a right line right here, plus that's more fashionable, right? So that's the side view and feeling for the people. Okay, let's come here to the rear part. Okay, and we can see the tail lights. That's very special design. So this kind of design, as I say, just for this model is for youngsters, mostly for youngsters, because this kind of special design of the tail lights is something like, just like a maximum imagination of the young people. They create something new. So we use this kind of special design, give you some special imagination. Very fashionable. And here, this sticker in China for domestic, that's for 7 years and 15,000 kilometers guarantee. Oh, sorry, 115,000 kilometers warranty. That's the guarantee and warranty for the users. And this is also our confidence of the producer. We have confidence to provide the customer the durable quality for user the car. So this is the model name is 500, and you can see the design of these numbers. That's very fashionable and stylish as well. 500, because when I see this one, I don't know what is that. If I approach closer and I see this is 500, it's very special. So everything is designed special and fashion. This is the rear part. Okay. The car is a small SUV because, you know, the size of this car is 2.38 meters long, and the width of this car reaches 1.8 wide. So this size, in this size, so it's definitely a small and compact SUV it is. And I say the engine reaches 116, okay, the horsepowers. So that's give you the most powerful and speed. So let's go inside the car to check. Okay, you know what is the feeling when I'm sitting here? Very comfort, and everything is red, very fashion, very young. I feel very energetic, right? check this, the steering wheel. Look, there are two keyboards right here. There are many functions connecting with your dashboard and with your MP5, right? There are many functions right here, but I can show you. Look this shape. This is U shape of the steering wheel. Look here. So it's better for your drive to hold the steering wheel, right? Very comfort. And in this keyboard, you can see there are many functions like, you know, like, okay, close the voice and the mode of the functions, right? And this is the voice high and low, right? And this is the get through your phone call or, okay, get off your phone call. There are many functions right here. This one is for the control of the car just by voicing. So you can, because this car is Italian car. Italian car, that means, okay, if I put this button and I speak, right? When I speak, I say maybe close the window, open the sunroof or something. So it's well done by the car itself. So there's no need to just manual adjust this function will be realized, right? That's very, very useful. Check the dashboard. This dashboard is digital. It's digital dashboard. The digital dashboard, we have different style. Sorry, so this is the computer from MP5. They're speaking with me. And for example, this dashboard, we have a different design. This one is classic. Look this one. So there are many functions right here. I can just show you. Okay, like for example, this one, you can set up the language, Chinese and English, right? Chinese and English. Let's get closer. Okay, let's go back. And this is the how many miles that you already run. And this is the brightness. Okay, right? You can adjust the brightness of your dashboard. Let's go back. And this is the topic and the style of this dashboard. Let's go inside, check. This is a classic. Classic is in this blue color. And you can check, for example, the second one is passion. Passion means red. I can choose this one. And you can see everything change in the dashboard. Look, this in red. So this is another style, maybe for the young people, right? And this is there's another one is technical style. Look, we are changing the different styles. This technical, right? It's blue color. Okay, let's go back. Just choose everyone you want. Let's go back. Okay, this is how many miles that you run of this car, right? And this is your phone call and your menu, your phone menu information. Just can memorize inside of this. Okay, this is the medium, like Bluetooth, like the radio, receive the radio, so you can use this button to choose. Okay, this navigation map, like this one. The navigation map can be showing on the MP5 as well as right here in the dashboard. So you just watch your dashboard and moving forward, it's more concentrated for your driving and to avoid more accident because there's no need to take a look at this MP5, right? So it's be more focusing on your front, like this one. Okay, there's something I already showed you. So this is the very, very multifunctional dashboard. It's digital dashboard. That's for today's very popular use and convenient for using, right? Okay, let's look this MP5. MP5, you can see this navigation map. There are many more functions right here. Like this one here is multimedia. So this is the FM radio channels. So you can select and choose what you want to listen. Okay, let's go back and you can see more. All this can be in English. So you will see everything in English right here. But today is right here is now is just the Chinese. This is the road recording to record something accident. Like this one, you can see. Look, you record when you're running and driving for something emergency or something special. And this is navigation, as I say, navigation map. You know, let's go back, and you can see there are many things right here. Look. This is for, in China, we have many software for listening to music, or maybe for call for the SOS or something. There are some special functions concentrated right here. And this is setup of the car, like the voice, like this, the time, like the Wi-Fi, like the Wi-Fi hotspot. There's something you can choose. I'm just quick showing you something new. And this Bluetooth, right? For example, like my car is very interesting. And my car, you know, here, this one means the rear back mirror is automatic folded. This means this function is open. I can close this one. I can open this one. So when you get out of the car and get off the engine, so these two back mirror will be folded automatically. And this is something, for example, this is some special function like EPS mode. There are 3. Now we're using the standard. The standard is everyone use in daily life. For example, the comfort one. The comfort one is for used for the ladies because they can turning more easily. And the sport is more stable because it's on the highway. You need more safe. So this is sport mode for your ESP assist. Okay, this is the control of the sunroof. So I'm just like, okay, that's the final one I just want to show you because there are many things right here. And this one you can control, just touch the screen, you can control the different direction of air conditioning. It's from where to where, like this one, from the lower part, okay, from the front side, okay, that's 4 direction directly to you, okay, and you can choose the temperature that just you want to keep, right? This is AC, open the AC, this is the automatic, and this is the cycle function. Okay, this is the defogging. Everyone knows. Okay, just take off. Okay, that means there are many intelligent functions and putting inside this MP5, and that's for your company to use, right? And look here, it's just like the engine of the airplane. This is the all direction adjustment, air blow. Look, right? It's just like the engine of the airplane. So it's very easy to control the direction of the air blow. Okay, and you can control this one. Actually, it's the same function, but you can touch or you can control right here. This home or this go back. This is voice up and down, higher and low. This Lex music, Lex the radio channels, and FM. Okay, the code displaying the time, right? Displaying this the time right here, and this also control is manual control the air conditioning. It's the same. But if you don't want to touch here, you can control here. Just press the button in manual way, right? Like this one, look, control the temperature. This is the temperature control, and control here, the air blown, high and low. Okay, control AC or you close, right? Okay, very useful. And look here, there are 2 USB, Right here, you can put your US stick and listen to your music. And this is for your lighters, everyone knows. And here there is a special function is for the wireless charging for your mobile. Put your mobile here, and there is a wireless charging functions right here. And look here, okay, the steering bar, okay, that looks very beautiful, right? And everyone knows the functions here, yes? And here there's one more function, auto hold. Auto hold, and everyone knows auto hold for your short braking, maybe on the red lights, right? And this is the ventilation function for your seats. Ventilation function for your seats. Okay. And here we have a very useful box. Just putting your personal belongings right here, right? And you can see this is just like sliding covers, right? And also this is for your button holder. You can put your buttons right here, and you can also slide this part. Very useful. And we can see all of these functions that is for young design and very modern design, and that's make this car very useful and very convenient to use, right? And this car with 4 airbags, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 airbags here. That for your safety. So don't worry about that you are running on the road, right? So this is and we can see this car with a full sunroof, right? That's very bright in the daytime, okay? And driving this one with your family and to go inside the forest, and you can see more grain on your head. Okay, that's the front side. Let's go to the second row. Okay, so let's go to the second row to check the space of this car. Look at this. Okay, the second row that's in red, full of red. And let me go inside and you can check the space. Oh, they're 1.5 feet. And here on my head, 1.5. I am 1.75 meters tall, and this is 1.5 feet space right here. So that's enough for the youngsters, right? Very good. And look here, there are 6 stereos inside the car, so you can enjoy the fantastic music and very relaxed. Okay, finally, let's go to the trunk to check the trunk space. This is a small SUV, but with large trunks behind you. Look, this trunk is 517 liters in the volume. So that's enough for your personal belongings. Even if you want getting a longer trip, you just putting down the second row, you can put more things. Over 1,000 liters in volume. That's for 2 people and a couple for long trip and journey. So that's the trunk space you can see. I think it's enough. For me, I think that's enough. It's good space. Okay. Let's go to the front. Okay, I think that's all for the introduction of this model, Grille 500. I'm very sure that you will like this model. So our next step, I will invite the Mr. Liang, our special driver for road testing. Okay, we just finished the introduction of this model. Now I will bring you to the road test with Mr. Zhan. So welcome, Mr. Zhan. Welcome. Okay, this is the Mr. Zhan. Okay, because for this special road test, we need a special drivers. Okay, so let's go, Mr. Zhan. Okay, we're just starting our trip to road test. This is a special and a very tough road and waiting for us. Join us. I think you will have a magic trip. Now we are on the way to the entrance. So let me ask some question for Mr. Zhan. 那个冉老师就是我们这个大概那个路面呢、会有多少个工位工序呢？
我们这个路市道有15个那个行人路面。
Okay, Mr. Zhan told me that we have 15 different road conditions for this special test. So, what is 这个是什么路面？
颠簸路面。
Okay, there are some special because there's just many storms right here. So to test 这个是测试车子的一个什么？
就是那个悬直啊，还有底盘。
Oh, this process is test the chassis chassis stability.
这个是井盖路。
Okay, there is some road storm in front of us. So this also tests the stability of the chassis. Okay, that's all right. 非常好。然后接下来的话，我们又
这一个是倒车区域，就是进行一个倒车的一个测试。
Okay, this section is to test the reverse of the car. And you can see in MP5. Okay, very interesting. And we go to the next section. This special road test is just to imitate the different road condition and test the comprehensive quality of this car.
这个路面是这个铺装土漆路。
This is also some special storms, and to check the balance of this car and the stability.
这个是石块路。
This is some
整车的一个类似的一个。
Yes, this is some to check the shock of this car and shock absorber.
这个路面是卵石路。
This is the cobblestone road test.
这的都是一个整车的一个影响。
This is to check the special laws of this car, if it has.
这是直线行驶。
This for check the speed of this car. Yeah, this is straight, moving forward. And you can see the speed.
做好，这有一个低速制动路。
This is to check the brake system. The braking distance.
这个是转向测试。
Here we can see there is a more space right here because this checks the turning of this car. Yes, I feel a little dizzy. Look, taking round.
面这个路面是初一板路，就是一个整车工程意向。
Look, this is the big shocks right here to check the noise of this car.
这个是坑洼路，主要就是听那个地板异响的。
Very bad road condition to lessen the noise from the chassis.
这个是混凝土路面。这个路面是扭曲路，这就是听钣金异响的。
钣金啊？
嗯，就是整车的一个，就是焊接点吧。
焊接点啊。
焊接点的异响。
For this kind of road is to lessen the noise from the welding parts of this vehicle.
前面就是登坡路，登坡路就是一个坡道的一个起步这些的。
This is the slope. Slope starting test. Look. 这个有多少度呢？这个坡度大概？
这个有，好像是45度吧。
This slope is more or less 45 degrees. To start, to stop in the middle and get a starting. Okay, that's finished the road test. 倒一下有关。So every unit must pass through this test and get the final qualification.
回去了。
Okay, that's finished. Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. Zhang. Thanks for helping with us. Okay, so that's all for the introduction for this new model, Glory 500. Thanks for watching.
Okay, hello everyone. So in the next, I will introduce you the new model, Glory 580 Star version. Okay, so maybe many friends think this Glory 580 Star version, it's just the upgraded version based on the Glory 580. If you think that will be totally wrong. Because when I done this introduction, you will be understand this model is totally and definitely new model. Whatever, you can see the outer appearance and the interiors. So, okay, so what do you think of in your first mind when you look this model in the first thing? You know, in my mind, there's two words to describe this vehicle. Impressive and gorgeous, you know. Especially the colors. This two color is just the white color for the vehicle body and the black color in the roof. It's very classical to combine. It will draw your attention, you know, just like a fashion lady. Okay, we can see the front grille. The front face of this vehicle is designed with upper grille and the lower grille. The interior of the upper grille is bright black color with the hollowed out treatment, and the red decorative strip around the lower grille can be understood as an exclusive logo, which really add a bit vitality and fashion. So it look very good. Okay, we notice here, you see, there is a special mark signal. Yeah, you are right. It's English word new, which symbolized it's a new model and have a new set standards. It's an identification. I will tell you, this model will be the most competitive product in the futures. Of course, then you can see the LED headlight with the streamlight appearance, and this automatic sensor with this LED headlamp with the automatic sensor, which equipped the automatic opening, electric height adjustment, and delaying closing. In addition, you can check the turning light. it's just like the running water from the both sides to a central, which all of this is which the glorified V-Star version possess a dynamic and steady characteristics. Okay, so we finished the introduction of the front face. Let's see the side. Okay, so this vehicle body is just designed with white color and black color. Of course, you can see this the west line is a three-dimensional west line from the head to the tail. It's just like show your power, just like me. You see that? Okay, then you will see the roof contour is dynamic and smoothly. Besides, the combination suspended roof and this tail makes this glorified V-Star version with more sportivity. It's here. Then we can check the tire. You can see the tire, all of the tire is 18 inches. And the gray color of the aluminum wheel is more suitable for the taste of young customers. In terms of the dimension, the length of this vehicle is reached 4,715 millimeters, and the width is 1,845 millimeters. So the height is 1,715 millimeters. So it's a big size, right? Now it makes the wheelbase reach 2,780 millimeters. It's big size, really. Okay, so let's see the rear. Okay, you can see the rear. The rear of this model compared to the old version is just the biggest change. You know, the license plate, the place moved down to the rear bumper and replaced by a black decorative strip, and which connecting the tail light on both sides. And the tail light has echoes with the headlamp. Okay, so we finished the outer appearance introduction. Let's get inside to check the interiors. Okay, so in addition, you can check all the physical buttons have been cancelled, and all the functions are concentrated on this 15.6 inch screen of the central console. And this console has including 26 items under 7 functions, including the telephone communication and the voice control, the music playing, information service, the chat interaction, and the vehicle control. So okay, we talk about the voice control, and this model also carried a new generation intelligent voice connection systems named My Phone Call. So this system, the recognition rate of this model, the intelligent voice, is as high as 95%. So you can operate it with your voice, and when you see any function on this screen, you can check the tickets, you can check the weather, you can check another other informations. Also, you can interact within, such as you're playing the music, you wanna open the panoramic sunroof, you wanna open the windows. Okay, so now I will show you how to operate it. But you know it's in Chinese. 小峰你好。
在的呢。
打开天窗。
已为你打开天窗。
Okay, just now I said, hello, Xiaofeng, please open the sunroof. Now it's opening by itself, it's automatically. So right now, whatever, you know, I think this intelligent voice control is very, very convenient because, you know, when you are driving on the expressway with a high speed, you have to focus. And you have to focus on and keep your eye on the road. nothing can disturb you, because it's very dangerous when you are driving. So, but if by your voice to control the window, the sunroof, and the air conditioning, that will be very, very convenient for you. So right now, we finished the intelligent voice control. So we talk about the seats layout. Okay, this vehicle have the 3 options for the seat layout. The first is 5 seats, and the second is 6 seats, and third is 7 seats as the Glory 580. What's more, the second row can be moved forward and backward through the slide trick. And also there is have the handle for the handlebar is outside. It's very convenient for the passenger in third row seats to get on or off the vehicle. So now we get out of the vehicle to check. I will show you. Okay, so my friend, please have a seat. Here is a folding handlebar. So when you just put it, the seat will be down totally. You can check. So it's very convenient, right? And the second and the third row seats, if the put down totally, the trunk, the dips, the length will be reached 2,040 millimeters. It's a very big space for your family. If you, for example, at the weekend, if you want to go with your wife or with your girlfriend, go camping outside, and you put the vehicle on the parking place and put down the second row and third row totally, and you can lie down in this vehicle and open this panoramic sunroof. Then you can see the star and the sky. That's very convenient. So then, and this vehicle also has another is a convenient place. You can check. This vehicle has more than 10 place of the storage. Also here, this the storage place. You can put over 2 waters. Put here and here. You can put some other the handkerchief or some sort of papers or a card. In the first row also, you can put something like this bottle of the water, put it your driver's license, whatever. And here, in the central armrest, we have here. You can put ashtray if you cigarettes, if you smoke. Also here, the central armrest box is very deep. You can put some other things like the paper or your driver's license or the other things. And for the glove box, also has it very, very deep. I will show you. Okay, my friend, please check. This glove box is very deep. You can put some other things, such like this, and the big documents. So what's more, our the third row seats also have this designed. You can put the bottle. Please see. You can put the water, put it here. Also have another. So it's very convenient, right? Okay, we finished the inside. Maybe many friends will just worry about the power. And this vehicle, we provided 3 options of the powertrain supply. The first one is 1.8 liter lateral aspiration engine with 5 manual transmission. And the second is 1.5 turbocharged engine with 6 manual transmission. The third is 1.5 turbocharged engine with CVT. Of course, this vehicle is top the specification with this 1.5 turbocharged engine with CVT, and which the maximum output power reached 100 32 kilowatt, and the peak torque reached 270 Newton meters. It's very, very powerful. So now we already ended the static introduction of this vehicle. So next we will go and show you the dynamic test. So now, welcome to Mr. Lee. How are you? So Mr. Lee is a special driver, and he will help us for the test road. So please. Okay, so now we are going to the dynamic road test. But firstly, for your safety, please fasten your seat belt. Okay, so let's roll. Now we go slowly to go to the dynamic test. In our factory inside, the speed have limited. Okay, here you see they had the traffic light. It's red light, it's green light, so we can go inside.这个是什么路啊？
颠簸路。
Okay, so the first step is the bumping road. You check it's shaking. He just want to check that there's any loose for the components. Okay, this is the swirl or wheel cover road. Also to check if there's any shaking or losing for your components for your spare parts.
네, 我们倒车区域那个是我们是检查灯光那些。
Okay. Okay, there is a reversing a rear. He just wanted to check there's the rear view radar, the camera, and the light is okay or not. So now we backward to the top. So the radar is just a reflection. The radar is okay. Okay, so let's go to the third step. Okay, this is a dry pavement road. 哪个数要检查啥子？
这个是检查底盘悬挂。
Okay, this road is to checking the chassis and the suspension.
4块多。
This is a little store road. 哪个是
检查那个门那些饰板影响。
Okay, this road if you want to check the door panel. Do you have any shaking and any knocking?
软石路。
This is a cobblestone road.
那都是快速路道，检查那个方向跑不跑偏。
Okay.
我们那里有个紧急制动那点。
Okay, so that last road is just the fast road to check the steering is still in the go to us right now. So this road is for have the brake, the faster brake, to check the brake is any okay or not.
我们那是转八字，检测方向机异响。
Okay, now.
方向灯。
Okay, right now there is eight-way turning. It's for checking the steering machine. It's for checking any noisy or just sound. Okay, no reflection. That's okay with me. 然后下面我们还要检查
那个搓板路、搓衣板路，
哦。
新车里面的共振。
Okay, so right now this is washboard, just like a washboard road. Need to check this. Have any shaking?
哎，
这都没得吗？
坑洼路，哎。
Okay. And Esposa Road.
啊，那个城市路面。
啊。
扭曲路。
Okay, so right now we go to the twisted road. 哪个是检查啥子？
那个检查那个车尾啊，那个做那些扭曲路那些一下。
Okay, this road to check the A pillar or B pillar to have any the shaken. So now we go to here the climbing road.
还有那个坡道，我们来检查那个
都不起注吗？
驻车。
So right now we check the parking, the automatic parking.
什么时候
And do you find any the backwards or not? So right now you can see the hill start assistant is working just now. Okay, we just stopped.
那边也检查个驻车。
So also to check the parking.
那个车。跑到缓降，好像检查。
Okay, this road also if you want to check the hill descent assistance. 好，说明都没问题噻哈。So I mean this vehicle all passed all the tests, so which is okay now. Okay, so we get off the vehicle.
So hi everyone, after the introduction of the factory and these two new models, you may understand the factory already realized the automatic and intelligent production. So the high qualification of products and high efficiency of manufacturing can be guaranteed. We will keep providing to you the superior quality of products. So finally, I have to say, because of the COVID epidemic spreading in the world severely today, but as a human being, if we are united and working together, we can conquer and we will win this battle. For sure, if you have any question for DFSK or any models that you are interested in, just email to us or surf our website for www.dfsk.com. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. DFSK!